back to the channel. Today we're going to be heading up to Horseshoe Park, and that's going to be along the Neuse River trail system. And you'll recall that at one point I was supposed to meet Michelle up at Horseshoe Park and never made it all the way. I had to break off a little bit early and go meet her at a restaurant that we were going to head to with her hiking group. That was because I kind of made a wrong turn. So to rectify that, well, we went ahead and bought the ride with GPS navigation app on here. So we've got a little bit more of a premium, but at least this will tell us if we're going the wrong direction or not. Now we're going to follow that up about 5.5 miles up to Abbotts Creek Trail, and we're going to break off and head out to Green Hills County Park, where there's supposed to be quite a few mountain bike trails, and we'll see what we can kind of find in that area. This is all areas that we've never e-biked before, so we're really looking forward to it. So stick around. We're going to go ahead and load up the bikes now and head up that way. Take this ride with us, and we'll find out together what we're in for. See you in a little bit.
Okay, we're out of Horseshoe Park and across the river, and we're going to catch up to Michelle. Neuse River Greenway, headed towards Abbotts Creek. Ridges are kind of wet, these wooden boardwalks. They can be a little slick. So just a nice little greenway coming through here. Even when we're out in the sun, it's really not that hot because we're down so close to the river. So Michelle was out rocking her new Rad City 5, rolling right along. I don't know, that first little ride, I don't know if I like it yet. It's a lot to get used to, a lot different. Yeah, she's only got about 5 miles on it. She's ready to go. My goodness, a fast song comes on, she'll leave me in the dust.
Distance 5.0 miles, duration 27 minutes 54 seconds.
And as you can see, the river is up a little high. Today had a lot of rain last night. Morning. Well, we just turned on to Abbotts Creek Trail. I believe this one has a little more unpaved. We'll find out. Never been here before. Beautiful woods we're in though.
Distance 6.0 miles, duration 32 minutes 26 seconds.
Morning. You can kind of see here the amount of rain we got, as all them cattails and everything, they're all pulled right over. So this was all flooded through here. Probably last night. So the humidity is coming out about 11:30 in the morning, 11:22 I guess. But the humidity is showing up. But we're just about at country or I forget what it's called. Green Hill County Park or something. We'll find out in a second, but that's where we're headed to. And this is going to be the end of where I navigated to coming up. It'll be right here. Yeah, we're going to stop in the shade for just a second because this is, yeah, this shade right here. This is where I navigated to.
So we made it up to Green Hill County Park. This park used to be a landfill and they've restored it back. And our intentions for today is to just take a quick loop around it and see if it's someplace that we want to come back and explore some more. So what we found is there's the typical county park amenities. There's restrooms, pavilions, picnic area, playground for the kids. There's also a very large hill right in the middle with a gravel road up to the top of it. Pretty darn steep. It has a paved loop that goes all the way around it with a biking lane there as well.
You're right. Got a little cheater here.
I wondered.
Yeah, a little cheater. But at my age, you gotta cheat a little. You too.
A lot of respect given to these two younger folks making it up there under their own power. I don't think I'm up for that anymore.
Good morning. And so this is the very top of the hill. And this is where it would be nice to have a drone. And this would be a nice spot to have a drone.
So after a quick zip around the top of the hill, a speedy drop down, it was time to start heading back to Horseshoe Park, because them clouds were starting to darken up just a little bit.
Well, we got some thunder rolling in, so maybe we're going to be getting a little bit wet. She doesn't want to get her new bike wet, so she's going ahead and rocking and rolling it. Somebody that doesn't like to go fast, she knows how to get out the rain.
So without knowing where we're at, Michelle heads off course, goes straight to a pavilion just as a thunderstorm is rolling in. Don't tell me the Lord doesn't provide.
So after a quick thunderstorm, we're back at it again. And we're headed back to the car now. We'll see what happens. Oh, could use some fenders about right now. Do what? Yep, like the ones you got. Look at my back already.
What a great ride this turned out to be. 18 miles later, we're back at the car, really wishing we had more time to explore this area more, and at the same time, we're looking forward to where we're going to end up at on our next adventure. Where might that be? Well, I tell you, like and subscribe, and you'll be there to find out right along with us. Till next time, Internet, Stay safe, God bless, and keep them wheels rolling. We're out.